What if that dead power adapter sitting in your drawer could actually melt metal again? You've probably got an old laptop charger lying around, right? Don't toss it yet. With a few simple parts, a spark plug, some wire, and a graphite core from a battery, you can turn that useless adapter into a powerful little soldering iron. It's easy, it's quick, and it really works. Let's get started. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need an old laptop charger, a used spark plug, and a pair of wires. Start by cutting off the damaged end of the charger cable so you can expose the two main leads. Then, take the spark plug and remove the metal cap using pliers. What you want to keep is the ceramic core that's going to be part of your soldering tip later. These simple parts are easy to find around your workshop, and once we put them together, they'll turn that old charger into a working tool again. Now that you've got your charger and spark plug ready, it's time to set up the power lines. Cut two wires, one brown and one white, about a foot long each. Strip both ends to expose the copper inside. Connect one end of each wire to the two output terminals of the laptop charger, making sure the brown wire is positive and the white one is negative. You can twist them tight and cover the joints with electrical tape for safety. Next, take a crocodile clip and attach it to the loose end of the white wire. This clip will act as the ground connection when you start soldering. Leave the brown wire free. For now, it will later connect to the spark plug. Make sure all connections are snug and solid before you plug in the charger. Once this part is done, you've just built a simple safe power delivery line for your homemade soldering iron. Before we move on, tell me in the comments, where's your workshop located? Now let's make the soldering tip. Grab an old AA battery and carefully remove the outer metal shell using pliers. Inside you'll find a black rod that's the graphite core, and it's what we'll use as the heating element. Be gentle when taking it out so it doesn't crack. Once it's out, use a lighter to warm and dry it for a few seconds. This helps remove any leftover moisture that could cause short circuits. Next, chuck the graphite core into your drill and spin it slowly while pressing a piece of fine sandpaper against one end. Shape it into a sharp point. This will be your soldering tip. The smoother and sharper it is, the better it will transfer heat when you solder. When you're done, you've got a clean, solid graphite tip ready to turn your old charger into a real working soldering iron. Now let's build the handle so your tool is easy to hold and safe to use. Take a short plastic tube, something about the size of a marker. Use a drill to make a small hole near one end. That's where you'll mount the spark plug. Slide the spark plug into the hole and fix it tightly with super glue so it doesn't move. Make sure the ceramic part sits nicely inside the tube. Now you've got a solid heat-resistant handle that's comfortable to grip and keeps the hot parts safely away from your hand. Now it's time to test your homemade soldering tool. Take 2 razor blades and place them one on top of the other. Clip the crocodile clip from the white wire onto one of the blades to complete the circuit. Then plug in the charger and gently touch the graphite tip to the edge where the blades meet. In just a few seconds, you'll see the metal heat up and fuse together. The blades stick tight, proving your soldering tool really works. Let's try the next test with something more practical. Take 2 copper wires and twist their ends together so they're touching. Clip the crocodile clip from your white wire onto one of the wires to complete the circuit. Then plug in the charger and place the graphite tip right where the 2 wires meet. You'll see the joint heat up quickly, and in a moment the metal melts and bonds firmly. Give it a light pull, the wires hold tight without coming apart. That's a strong, clean solder, and your homemade tool passes the test again. Now let's take it one step further and fix something real. Grab a stainless steel cup with a broken handle. Clip the crocodile clip to the cup's body, then touch the graphite tip to the spot where the handle came loose. The moment the tip makes contact, you'll see the metal start to glow slightly. Hold it there for a few seconds until the handle settles back into place. After it cools, give it a firm tap. It's solid again. No movement, no gaps. You just repaired a stainless steel cup using nothing more than an old laptop charger, a spark plug, and a bit of creativity. Here's a fun little experiment to end with. Take a small wooden board and cover the top with aluminum foil. Clip the crocodile clip to the edge of the foil so it's connected to your power line. Then, plug in the charger and gently touch the graphite tip to the surface. As you move it around, you'll notice the foil darkening along the path, just like drawing with a pen. You can write your name, make a pattern, or test how smooth your tip runs. It's a creative way to see how precise and controlled your homemade soldering tool really is. And that's how you turn an old laptop charger into a fully working soldering tool. Simple parts, a bit of patience, and you've got something truly useful. If you enjoyed this project, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves fixing things. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next DIY idea coming your way.